Okay, are we recording? Yes, we are. We're at 9 seconds. Okay, let us look at 17. 17, she gave you a mark and a half. I guess you just didn't simplify enough. Let's look. So over here, it's number 17. Let me change colors. Don't they have enough colors here? Yay. Okay, this blue. No, where is it? Okay. 17. So 2 over 4 divided by minus 7 over 6 times minus 24 over 42. So over here, what you did was 2 over 4 divided by, you multiplied them with one another. You could have done something to ease yourself. Now before the 6, 24 and 42 minus 7 over 6. I told you sometimes it's easier to simplify. So over here, it's easier to simplify. It's easier to simplify than multiplying. So over here, I'm just gonna have to do divide by 2, divide by 2. So this one is minus 12 over 21. Okay. So now I can do 6 and 12. So over here I'm left with a 2. So 2 over 4, I can do it 1 over 4 divided by minus 7 and 7 and 21, 7, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes. Okay, so 21. We need to memorize the multiplication table for a reason. That's the reason. Okay, so over here, minus 1 over 1, because I lost the 6. And minus 2 over 3 over here. So, yeah. Over here, I'm going to have to do 1 over 4 divided. When I multiply these, now it's much better. Minus 2 times minus 1, this is plus 2, so I don't have to write the plus. I'm just going to remove it. 2 over 3. 1 over 4 times 3 over 2. I'm going to end up with a 3 over 8. What did you get? 504 divided by 672. 252, wait. 252 divided by 168. What you did was this. 2 over 4 divided by 252 over. So you did 7 times 24 times 2. No, you did something wrong. 7 times 24. 7 times 24. That's 168. This should be 168. So you wrote 168 over 6 times 24. 6 times 42 over 252. So what you did over here, you did 2 over 4, you flipped it. 252 over 168. And then you multiplied it. 252 times 2. This is 500. Look how big the numbers are right now and how annoying it can be. And you didn't simplify. Like, just because you didn't simplify, your teacher gave you a lower mark. So 504 divided by, if I do this, 504 divided by 672, I would get 0.75, which is 3 over 4. Now, how much did I get earlier? 3 over 8. How did it get 3 over 8? This was 2 over 4. I left it as a 4. This one 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Yeah, typing mistake. I did a typing mistake, but I recognized it. We need to be able to recognize our typing mistakes. So 3 over 2. This is still wrong. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Yes. 0.725. Okay. So you just had to simplify. Just because you didn't show this is my method. No, like this is the not my method. This is simplification method. And this is the multiplication. There's a purpose for us to use the multiplication table. The multiplication method, and this is not one of them. If you want to write 0.75, what did she ask? She asked simplify. The question was simplify. Simplify doesn't mean this. This is the exact opposite of simplify. You didn't simplify, you multiplied. Simplify means you need to divide, you need to cross out. Okay, 18. If I want to go to number 18 now. 18. Ali reads 1 over 4 of a book. Please show this is a book. You read the book and open the book. Show me a book that opens and you read 1 over 4 of it, or be creative. Be creative with showing me 1 over 4 of a book. Over here, how much parts of the book will he read in 3.5 hours? 3.5 hours. So 1 part of the book in 1 hour. Again, I need you to show this. Now, I want you to show like 1 over 4 of the book plus 1 over 4 of the book plus 1 over 4 of the book plus half times 1 over 4 of the book. Why? Because this is a half, so I need to put the half and 1 over 4 of the book. I need half of this, so I need half of 1 over 4 of the book. Now put the half later on. This is the first one, second one, third one. This is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. And if it's very difficult to understand the half times 1 over 4, it's okay. But this is 1 over 8. So this is 3, 1 over 8. No, sorry, this is just 1 over 8. So 3 hours, and this is 1 over 4 of the book. 1 over 8, 1 hour, 1 hour, and this is half an hour. Half an hour. I need to show half an hour with a say. Now, this is annoying to look at. This is annoying to look at. So I don't use the visual method. I must use, why must? Because it's the easiest one. Because it's the easiest. Easiest. Because it's the easiest one. I must use this rate function. 1 over 4 of the book is 1 hour. Unit. Now the unit here needs to stay the same, hour. There's a number here, and the unit here needs to stay the same, book. Now, this is the format, this is the best method to use. This is the best method to use. Now, what are they asking? In 3.5 hours, how much of the book would he be able to do? Hours, hours, book, book. This is the only new one that I don't know. So x, which is this one, is equals the butterfly method. So x is equals, what's in front of x goes down 1 hour. 1/4 of the book. 3.5 hours. So, hours, hours, goes away. X is equals 1/4 times 3.5. This is the answer, 3.5, 1/4 times 3.5. 0.25 times 3.5. This is 0.875. X is equals to 1/4 times 3.5 is equals to 0.875. Now what is 0.875? 3.5 is 7/2. 7/2, this is 7/8, yeah. 7/8 is 0.875. Okay. What of the book? This is how much of the book they have read. So it's very annoying to look at the last one here. It's very annoying to look at the last one. So that's why we always use the butterfly method. Okay. Next, audio. 19, you got it right. 20, you got it wrong. Okay. Yeah. We know the acronyms. Z. No, we don't want this one here. Z, A, I, A. Z is when I have a Z here. This is my Z. Do you see the Z? This is the first Z. And this is the same thing. I'm going to draw it in a million different ways so that you can see. And then, so this is the first one here. And this is the second one here. These angles, I'm going to color them in blue. These angles here, see them? These are equal. If this is 130, automatically this one is 130. If this one is 60, automatically this one is 60. Now, in a different way. What do I mean in a different way? Now the line is like this. This. It's still the same thing. It doesn't change. I don't know why you're overcomplicating this chapter. It's the easiest chapter that you can find on earth. And this one, it's still the same concept. If this is 60, this is 60. And still, the same thing goes here. If this one looks like this, now the Z is flipped. Yes, I know. But it's still a Z. It still functions as a Z. Now this one here, here is the same as, guess which one? Here, the one from here. Yes. You get it now? So if this one is 60, so this one is what? This one is 130. This one is 60. This one is 60. This one is 130. This one is 130. This one is 130. This one is 130. This one is 60. This one is 130. Get it? Now, let us look at Zaya again. Z, alternating interior angles. So just now, I want you to flash them. Now a note. Now a note. I want you to do some, like, these, the ones that I've done. Try to make them look in a better way, or use the same ones, but just use a flashy. Use them to flash, like on and off, like color them and make them turn on and off, so that the student can see the alternating interior. So I want him to see alternating, so show him some alternating interior. So show the interior, alternating interior, and just flash them in a way. You already know this lesson. Now, get me this one. This is what they're asking in 20. They're asking for this one. This is a triangle. This is a triangle here. Why is this one so annoying? Okay, I don't know why. But to the right, it's stilo basically. 50 y 127. Now pause the video audio or whoever is watching this and try to solve it yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now unpause the video and we will solve this one. So this one is an alternating interior angle. So all of this is 127. So now it's very easy for me to say 127 is equals to 50 plus y. Now once I say 127 is equals to 50 plus y, what can I do? 120. I need to do minus 50 on the right and minus 50. It's as if it's a scale. It's as if it's a scale. So I'm removing minus 50 on the right and minus 50 on the left. I need you to show me a scale. No, show me a scale and show me removing on the right and on the left is important, and write important. And put it in red. And put it in very bold letters and underline the, like, in the word important, please. Like, this is a very important, very, very, very important step that she needs to do. And over here, 127 minus 50. 127 minus 50 is 77. So this 50 and 50 is 0. So I don't have to write the 0. 0 is like, I don't have to write plus y. I just need to say y is equals to 77. And that's it. Now I've got y is equals to 77. Can't I get this one? Can't I get this tiny one over here? This one is 180. This one over here, yeah. Gonna make it into black. This one is 180 is equals to 127 plus y, or not y. This one is plus a. I'm gonna call this one a. So again with the very important. Again, with the very important, just copy paste. And minus 127. Minus 127. Again, with the leave Brittany alone. Say, put it again, like leave the variable alone. Leave Brittany alone, put it again. So 180 minus 127. 180 minus 127. This one is 53. No need to write the 0. No need to write the plus. I'll just write a is equals to 53. So this one is equals to 53. I'll check. Now check. If I want to check 53 plus 127, is it actually equals to 180? My calculation should be correct. So yes, 180 is equals to 180. So yes. Now, what do they also want? They want the other one. T, lines LM. T is a transversal line. Then find the value of x and y. Then find T. Okay, this is the second part of the exercise. This one. Now it's this part. Now they're trying to tell us that these two I've got a 60, so how much is y? This y over here, I need to label it as 180 is equals to y plus 60. Again with a very important note. Minus 60. Again with the leave Brittany alone. Put a copy, please, again. This is 120 is equals to y. So y is equals to 120. And x. Now just show me that this one plus this one are equals to 180. Same side interior angle. Same side. Now the other same side are these two. These two, they add up to 180. Okay. Same thing with the same side exterior. If this one is 120 and this one is 120, this one is a 60, this one is a 60, this one is a 1. Same thing with these two. Same sides exterior angles. Now these two are automatically vertically opposite. This one and this one here. Because this here and this here, these two, so let's call them B, angle B, and angle D. So B and D. Hey! Hello. Hi. Şöyle stick. No. هي بس بتعوم ما بتعمل شيء. شايف بسيني ونيكي. Okay, sorry. The dog. Okay. Same side exterior angles. So we're talking. Let me just repeat because I forgot what I was talking about. Same side interior angles, same side exterior angles. Yes, the ones that I was coloring over here. This one and this one. This is a 60 and this is a 60. Both of these, the ones that I colored, are F. F-A-I-A. Alternating interior angles. No, AI. Alternating exterior angles. Alternating exterior angles. So alternating exterior angles, they make an F. So this one and this one, they make an F. This and this. I'll show you the F now. So I'm gonna look at it like different Fs. This is an F. This is an F. Okay. This. Wait, let me start with the ones on the right. This is an F. Now, this angle and this angle, alternating exterior angles. This angle, the F, the ones in the corner of the F, this angle, let me color it differently. This angle here and this angle here, they're alternating exterior angles. This angle here and this angle here, they're alternating exterior angles. So they make an F and they're equal. Now this one is also an F. Now for the ones on the left. So just consider it right, left. So this one and this one. Usually the ones in the corners of the F. If this one is on the left as well. So this one is here and here. This one is here. You see it? I need you to flash these again and call it alternating exterior angles. So just flash them, show me anything, and this is the name of the angles. Now, this one, the one that I was coloring, I'll color it in blue again. Now, this one is 60 and this one is 60. These two are 60, 60. So alternating exterior angles, I remember it from the name Fadia, like a name of a lady. So yeah, F is the shape, alternating exterior angles. And since these are automatically always equals, so this one is vertically opposite with this one, so this one is vertically opposite with this one. So D is vertically D and B, they're alternating exterior angles, and C over here, they're vertically opposite angles. Okay, great. So I need someone to help me with here with the graphing, like to make it look neat. Okay, 22. I've got a triangle here, a rectangle here, and a triangle here. Okay, I've got an x plus 2y. X plus 2y twice. X plus 2y 3 times. X plus 2y 4 times. So 4 times x plus 2y. Color them all, flash all of the x plus 2y's, please. And now I've got, and so like color these as red now. Color them as red. And keep them as red. Now, okay, let's do that. Let's do this. These are red. Now I finished with these. I wrote it as here. Now what is left is now this one. So this one is 3x minus 2y once, 3x minus 2y twice. So plus twice. So now these two. So now, like color, remove these two. Now I'll remove these two. So look, what am I left with? I'm left with this shape. This is the parameter. The parameter is the addition of all of the sides. Side 1, side 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like adding all of them. This is the parameter. Not the area, P, this is the parameter, 4x, so this is you going in the room. This is you going in the room. Or x is getting out of the room. And 2y is getting out of the room. Same thing, copy, paste, and put it over here. 4x plus 8y plus 6x minus 4y. The parameter is equals to 4, 4, 8, 9, 10x. 8, 4 plus 4y. Parameter is x plus 10x plus 4y. Okay. See how easy it is? 8x plus 10x plus 4y. Okay. This is 22. Oh, you got 22 right. But she only gave you 1 mark. What did you get? No, you got something wrong. I don't know what you did with 22, to be honest. Your organization wasn't clear in the answer, so she might have, like, I don't even understand what she wrote. That's why I always tell you, write in a proper manner. In the given figure, 23, this one, what are the values of x, y, z? So this one here, this one here. This is x, this is y, this is z, this is 140, this is 130. If this is 130, so all of this is 130. This is 140, so 180 is equals to 140 plus c. So minus 140, add the very important thing here. Minus 140, minus 140. 40 is equals to 0 plus c. Don't add the 0. C is equals to 40. So we can immediately know now 180 minus it's going to be 40. So since this one is 40, so x is 40. So since 130 is equals to y plus 40, it's always important to do minus 40 on the right and minus 40 on the left. So this one, 130 minus 30, 100. So this one is going to be a 90. Y is equals to 90. So this one is 90. So how much is z? So 180 is equals to 40 plus 90 plus z. So 180 is equals to 130 plus z. But I guess now we already know what z is. I didn't really have to do the 180 in the first place. I should have just looked here. 130, 180 minus 130. This is b. I don't know. b. Or if you want to do it properly, 180 is equals to b plus 130 minus 130 minus 130. So 8, 3, 50 is equals to b. b is equals to 50. Now, if you still want to do it, 40 plus 90 plus z is equals to 180. This is 130 plus z is equals to 180. Very important note, you need to remove both sides, 130, 130, z is equals to 50. I reached the same thing. Okay, this is 23, 24. 24, you did it right. No, you did it wrong. The sum of the consecutive numbers is 69. Find the numbers. Consecutive numbers. Consecutive. First of all, 3 consecutive numbers. What are 3 consecutive numbers? What are 3 consecutive numbers if I want n plus 1, plus 3, or plus 2? Yeah, basically, like n plus n plus 1, n plus 3, n plus 4. These are consecutive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, if I started with 1, so if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, or if I started from 10, 11, 12, 13, if I started from 100, 101, 102, 103, okay, so these are the consecutive numbers. So 2 consecutive numbers are giving me 69. So n plus 1 is giving me 69. So 2n plus 1 is equals to 69. Like, I'm using what is given before. Like, why did they tell me 2 consecutive numbers? Because they want me to use one of them. But I'm not gonna think from the end till the beginning. I'm gonna think from the beginning to the end. Why did they ask me about the consecutive numbers? Because they want me to use it. So 2n minus 1, this is 68. N is equals to 68 over 2. I didn't grow up knowing how to do this, but I grew up knowing how to utilize different skills that I have. N is equals to 34. So this is the answer over here. N is equals to 34 with the 2 consecutive numbers. Let's try. If 34 is n and 35 is the n plus 1. So if I add them together, will I actually get the 69? Like 3, 4, 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 3, 6. Yes. So yes, it does. Okay. So let's continue. 25 right? No, half of it is wrong. 25, half of it is wrong. 25, find 5 rational numbers between minus 2 over 7 and minus 3 over 5. minus 2 over 7, and minus 3 over 5. You didn't do anything. You didn't even, like, you only represented this. And she gave you a point and a half. No, you actually represented B. And she gave you 1.5 points. 1.5. She didn't give you anything here. I guess she's going to put 1.5. You didn't get any of the 1.5 points with A. You got the 1.5 points with B. So what did you not do properly? Find the 5 rational numbers between minus 2 over 7 and minus 3 over 5. Minus 2 over 7 is what? 2 divided by 7. Okay, this is minus 0.28. And what? This is minus 2 over 7. Minus 3 over 5. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So it's minus 0.6. Okay. Here. 3 over 5. Minus 0.6. Rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. Definition of rational numbers. What is the definition of rational numbers? Let's go back. Rational numbers can be integers, where P is an integer, which also can be positive, negative, or 0. Non-zero integer. Fraction. It can be a fraction. 5 can be represented as a fraction as well. Any type of number. In contrast, number that cannot be expressed in this form, take a square root. Consider irrational. Now she said rational. Rational numbers. All of the numbers that we know. We're not speaking about. We didn't study irrational numbers yet, or imaginary numbers. We haven't started with these yet. So we're still speaking about rational numbers. So I need any 5 rational numbers. So can't I write minus 3 over 7? If I wrote minus 3, is it going to be to the right or to the left? So if I'm considering that this is my 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are my 7, and my 0 is somewhere here. This is where my over 7 starts. So minus 2 over 7, or like my 0 must start here, because this is minus 0 points. Okay. Minus 2, so this is 1, 2, this is 2 over 7, minus 2 over 7. Okay, so if I did 3 over 7, so it's further. Okay, so it's in between. It's somewhere here. So it's somewhere. It's not to the right. It's not to the right. It's not here. It's not anywhere here. So it's here, somewhere here. If I did minus 3 over 7. That's the first one. That's the first one. Minus 4 over 7. Minus 5 over 7. Minus 6 over 7. I'm done. So the numbers that I can say are minus 3 over 7, minus 4 over 7, minus 5 over 7, minus 8 over 7. 8 over 7, 6 over 7. Now I need to see if all of these numbers, are they actually in between? Are they in between, or no? Did I just did a mistake? So this is 5 over 7 doesn't work. Minus 4 over 7 is 0.57. So minus 0.57. So it's less than minus 0.6, so it's okay. But now I need to start thinking about something 1 over 5 maybe. Minus 1 over 5. 1 divided by 5 is 2. Minus 0.2, so no. Minus 2 over 5, 2 divided by 5, 0.4, yes. So now I've got minus 2 over 5 on the scale. So I need you to show me a proper scale, please. 2 over 5, so it's 0.4. So yes, it is accepted. So now I still need, this is the first one, second one, third one, Now, if I did 3, I cannot. If I did 2.5, I cannot. If I did 1, I cannot. If I did 2, I cannot. Maybe I can write something like, I cannot do 2. I did 2. I cannot do 1. I cannot do 4. Can I do 4 over 5? No, that's 0.8. Needs to be in between 0.28 and 0.6. So I did the 3, 4, but the 5 over 7 didn't really work at 71. What if I did 2 over 5? Let's try and think about something. Minus 2 over 5 plus, or like minus 3 over 5 divided by 2. Let's try this one. This one is a minus 5 over... This is 0.5. Minus 1. And then I want to divide it by 2. Minus 0.5. So half. So if I want to get a half. So if I want to get a half, how do I get a half? I need a minus 2.5 over 5. How do I write minus 2.5 over 5? Minus 2.5 over 5, I can also write it down as 5 over 2 over 5 over 1. Far by far, near by near. Yeah, I don't want to write it. 5. Okay, I can write it as 5 over 10, basically. Okay, I don't want to write it as half. So it's far by far, near by near. I wrote it as 5 over 10. So minus 5 over 10. It's going to be minus 0.5. And it's going to fit into the whatever I'm trying to do. I'm trying to check the 5 rational numbers between this and this. So I was able to do it. Like, I thought the last one was thinking outside the box. The last one was thinking outside the box. So try to show me a scale, please, here. Note. Show me a scale. Show me a scale. Okay, 26. No problem. No, 26. What did you do with 26? Okay, 26. How many questions do we still have? Okay. 26. Vidya and Paratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them, so Vidya and Paratap, they went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. So 5 liters of water. 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 over 5 of the water. So Vidya consumed 2, not equals. Vidya, what is the consumption? Vidya consumed 2 over 5 of the water. Paratap consumed the remaining water. So Paratap, remaining 3 over 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 over 5. Viratap. 1, 2, 3. Parapap, whatever her name is. A P. So yeah, basically. Vidya consumed, Paratap consumed the remaining. Okay. So how much water did Vidya drink? Water, Vidya. This 2 over 5. So 2 liters. Each one is 1 liter. This is obvious. This is 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. Now, it doesn't always have to be 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. But it was like very obvious over here. Because it's like 2 over 5. So now this one is very easy. Super easy. Super, super, super easy. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Paratap drink? Like the bottle is 5 liters. She drank 2/5 of the water. So she drank 2 liters. Like 2/5 times 5, 2. You got me? 3/5 times 5. Now you're gonna ask me, why is it 2/5 times 5? Okay, come here. The number 2/5 is the ratio. And then 2/5 of the water. So what is the water? It's 5 liters of water. 5 liters of water. So 5 and 5 will go out, so I will be left with 2 liters. Same thing over here. 3/5 is the ratio. And then I'm multiplying it with 5 liters. So I am left with 3 liters. Now this is easy, but what if I told you that 2/5, she drank 2/5, and the water bottle was 6 liters? The only thing that would be different now, it's 12/5. She drank 12/5 liters. And the other one drank 3/5, the ratio, times 6 liters. Times 6 liters. So this one is gonna be 6, 12, 18. 18/5 liters. This one will drink 18. This is the only difference. You get it? You don't really have to draw the chart every single time. If you wanted to draw the chart every single time, 1, 2, it's still 5. 3, 4, 5, it's still 5. But each one is not 1 liter anymore. Each one is not 1 liter anymore. All of this is 6. So 6 divided by 5, I'm gonna get how much is each one box. Let's take an example. So if I told you 10 liters, now it's still 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now each box gets 2 liters. Not 1 anymore. It might be 2.5, might be 2.1, might be... It's not always La La Land. It's not always perfect numbers and nice numbers. So now if I said 2/5 times 10, it's going to be 10 times 2/5. So 10, 10, 2, 4. So over here you would end up with a 4, and 3/5 you would end up with 30/5 you would end up with a 6. Now 2/5 here, 2/5 here, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. You got me? You got me? Okay. Yeah, a man traveled 2/5 of his journey by train. Okay, let's do this one. A man traveled 27. A man traveled 2/5 of his journey by train. By train. He has a journey. He has a journey. Now, I don't know, but 2/5 of it. 2/5 by train. Choo choo, show me a train here. Where is it? Where's the question? Okay. By train, 1/3 by bus. Show me 1/3 by bus. And over here, 1/3 by bus. 1/4 by car. 1/4 by car. And the remaining, so this one here, show me this. The remaining 3 kilometers on foot. Remaining 3 kilometers on foot. What is the length of his total journey? So what is the length of the journey? All of this is equals to how much? What is the length of this? And kilometers, because they gave me 1 unit to work with. What is the length of his total frame, and solve the equation of the given. Okay. Now, I can try and think of something. I'm like 2/5 of the journey plus 1/3 of the journey plus 1/4 of the journey plus 3 kilometers. But I don't know how much it is. I don't know how much is the journey. So if I add 2/5 plus 1/3, will I get something more than 1, or will I get something less than 1? So 2/5 plus 1/3 plus 1/4, all of it x outside, plus 3 kilometers is equals to x. This is from 2/5 from the journey plus is equals, okay. So over here, 2/5, 1/3, 1/4, 2/5, 1/3. No, why am I doing this? There's something wrong. Amount travel 2/5. I need to try and draw it properly. 2/5 of his journey. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Okay, almost. Okay, so 2/5 of his journey by train, and 1/3 by bus. 1/3 2/5 is the same place as 1/3. 2/5, 1/3. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. I'll just take the one on the right. Okay, 1/3 by bus. And then 1/4. Where do I put this 1/4? Or I'll put the bus here. This is the bus. Or no, I can't put the bus here. This is 1/3. No, I can't put this one here. I need a ruler. Is there a ruler here? No ruler here. Ruler. Okay, this is 2/5. I need to keep what I write. Wait. I need to keep the colors that I'm writing with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, train 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 2/5 of the journey. Now this is 1 over 5, this is 1 over 5, this is 1 over 5, this is 3 over 5. 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. These are 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is how much? Zero 0.6. This is 0.6. This is from here. This is, if I consider this as my 0, this is 0.6. I have used this part, so I cannot think about it anymore. Now I need to consider 1 over 4 of the journey, so I need to consider 0.25. Now 0.25, this is 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are 4. I need to use 1 over 4 for the car. So this is the car. Now 1, 2, 3. This is 0.2, and I need 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is 0.33. 0.33. So from 0.2 go 0.33. This is 0.2. This is 0.4. This is 0.2. 0. No. How is this 0.2? Yeah, this is 0.2. 1 over 5. 0.2. This one. No, how is this 0.2? Why am I confused? Why is this confusing? Again. Again. A man traveled 2/5 of the journey. 2/5 of the journey by train. 1/3 by bus. 1/4 by car, and the remaining 3 kilometers on foot. Remaining 3 kilometers. What is the total length of the journey? Find this all. Or 2 supplementary angles. No, I want to solve the first one. I want to know the first one. This is, let me try another approach. If I want to divide it into 2 over 5, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I want to divide it into 3, so this is 1 over 5. If this is the same journey that we're speaking about, well, this is 1 over 5. This is 0.2 of the journey, 0.4 of the journey, 0.6 of the journey, 0.8 of the journey, and this is the entire journey. This is from 0 to 1. Okay, now it makes more sense. Now 2 over 5 of the journey is 0.4. So this is 0.4. This is 0.4 of the journey by train. Now 1 over 3 of the journey is 0.33. Now 0.33 plus 0.4 is 0.73. So this one, 4, this is 7 here, 0.7. So I need 0.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 7.3. 0.73. 0.73 bar. So 0.73333333. So from here to here, this is by bus. Now 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is 0.25. 0.733 plus 0.25 is 0.983. 0.983. So this is 0.983. If this one is 0.983, so 0.983 3. 1 minus 0.983 equals to 3 kilometers by foot. Show the graph, please. The entire thing minus this one is going to be this tiny part, and then zoom in here, and then show that this is the 3 kilometers that he walked, and show the train, show the bus, and show some graphics to show. So 1 minus this, I'm gonna have 0.017 f the journey is equals to 3 kilometers. All of what I was trying to do is to get a link between what is given. So I was trying to look for a link between what is given and how much of the journey did he actually walk. I was because they didn't tell me. They gave me a lot of numbers. Now if I did 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, if I did this from the start, 2 over 5, this is 0.4 plus 1 over 3, 1 over 3, this is 0.333, and then 1 over 4, this is 0.25. If I do them all together, look what I will get. 0.983. If I use the 983. Okay, and let's see. It's usually better to have 3 numbers or 4 numbers after the decimal. Usually, 3 numbers is a good thing. So I got the 0.933 without even doing this one, but I need you to show this one. I need you to show the difficult method and the easy method. So I can do this. What is left of his journey, which is 0.017 of his journey, is equals to 3 kilometers. So by math, now we're back to math. 0.017 of his journey, J, is equals to 3. So divided by 0.017 and divided by 0.017. His journey, so show me the very important here with division. Now I want to see the division because we didn't do this with division last time. We only did it with addition and subtraction. Now I need to see it with division. Do a new one with the very important note thingy about division. So J now is equals to 3 divided by 0.017. 0.017. That's going to be 176.47 kilometers. This is how much he went through the. This is how much was his journey. So his journey was 2/5, 176.47 by. This one was train. This one was the train, so 2 over 5 times 176.47. This one is 70.588. This is the train. Now, the bus is 1/3 by bus, so the bus is 0.333 times 176.47. So 1 over 3 by 176.47, and then we will be having 58.76 kilometers. And then with the car, 1 over 4 of the by car, so this one is the car. 1 over 4 of the car, so 176.47 0.25 times 176.47, so 44.11 kilometers. Now if I want to double check, I would add this and add this and add this, and I would check. So 70, wait, do I have something else? Plus 3 kilometers at the end. 70.588 plus 58.78 plus 44.11 plus 3. I will get 7. It must be the same. The numbers will be different because there are decimals. So this one, 176.478 kilometers. This is the entire journey. 176.47478. Still the same. Doesn't matter. Now let's do the second part, which is what fraction of the total. No, not this one. We finished this one. Just now, let's do this one. Two supplementary angles are such that two supplementary angles are such that 2 times the measure of one is equals to 3 times the measure of the Let's read it together. Two supplementary angles. Supplementary, complementary, supplementary. Okay. This is the first one, this is the second one. Such that 2 times the measure of one is equals to 3 times the measure of the other. There's something wrong with English. Two supplementary angles are such that English mistake. There's an English mistake here. Speak to your teacher. Audio. Okay. 28, 29. Okay. A travel app launched an online quiz consisting of 50 questions. Please show me an application and open a quiz option, and show me 50 questions popping up. The information below describes how points will be awarded to participants. 2 points for each question answered correctly. -1 for each question answered incorrectly. So +1 correct, -1 wrong. +2. 0 points not answered. Not answered. 5 additional points for answering more than 40 questions. So plus 40 questions. I get +5 for 40 questions. What would the score of the participant who attended all questions but answered 45 questions correctly? What would be the score of a participant answered 45 correctly? So if she answered 45 correctly, so she answered the 40 correctly, so 2 points for each one. So 2 times 40, that's 80 points. That's 80 points. And then she's getting +5 points. And then she's getting +5 points. 5 additional points for answering more. This one is just a statement. This one's just a one-time thing. This one over here is just a one-time thing. They're just saying that you will get rewarded additional 5 points for answering more than 40 questions correctly. So you got your first 40, and this is your bonus. Now you've got the other 5. So the other 5 times 2, that's a 10. So now you're at 85 points plus 10 points. Then you're at 95 points. What would the score of a participant P who attempted 30 questions correctly answered 45 correctly? What do they mean, but attempted 40? I like it. How do I know? 50 questions. So 95. Okay. I need to minus. So minus 45. So minus 5 points. 35 minus 5 points. So I considered all of the method here. The method that I need to use here is finish from the positives and then go for the negatives, because the positives are easier to calculate than the negatives. This is the moral of the lesson here. So I finished all of the positives, 95. Now I answered 5 wrong because 50 questions in total and 45 correct. So I've got a minus 5. So 95 minus 5, I'm gonna get 90 points. I'm gonna get 90 points here. So what would it be if we attempted 30 questions correctly and 20 questions wrong? So 30 questions correctly times 2, this is going to be 60, and 20 wrong, so this is minus 20, because he's getting a minus 1. So 60 minus 20, this is a 40. Okay. Now what is I believe it's 100, like if you answered all questions correctly. So you got 40 over 100, and over here I got 90 over 100. 5 questions costed 10 points. Okay, 30, you got 30 wrong, I assume. 30 wrong, yeah. Over here, they're telling you, in the given figure, PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST. Okay, so these two are parallel. This one is parallel and this one is parallel. Okay. Then the value of 2, the English must be fixed here with teacher audio. Like, find the value of 2x plus y, or find the value of x, or find the value of y, or anything, but the English needs to be fixed. I'm not supposed to, guess what the teacher is trying to ask. I'm gonna get x and y. This one is easy. This one is here, going here, going here. This one is 85. So, if I continue this one, wouldn't this one also be 85? Like, I don't really need this one. 85. And I don't have this one, actually. I only have this, but these two are still the same. This one and this one, they're still the same. So x is equals to 35. This one is x. 85, sorry. 85. Okay, now let's go to the y. Y, this one is 130. No, sorry, where is this? There's something here. There's something going on here. Okay. There's something going on here. This is the y. This is 130. So 180 is equals to y plus 130. Put the very important minus 130. Minus 130. 50. Y is equals to 50. This one is 50. This one is 50. That's it. Now, I finished. I got y is equals to 50, and I got x is equals to 85. Now your teacher is asking, or the question is asking, 2x. So I need you to substitute here. Note, substitute. Substitute. 85. 2 into 85 plus 50. 85, 160, 170 plus 50. 50, 60, 70, 220. Let me just double check. 2 times 85, 170 plus 50, yeah, 220. Okay, next. This one. In the figure, PQ and RS. PQ, RS. This one. Okay. Find the values of A and B. Okay, so if this one is B, why am I drawing over there? This one is 65, wait. This one is 65, this one is parallel to this one. So if this one is 60, if I continue this like this, so I can see that this is my Z. These are my lines. Now I don't really need the lines for me to see them. So now I can just see that this one is equals to this one. So this is 65. And these two are parallel. So if I continue, this is an F. Wait, I need a good thick one. Okay, here. This is an F. This and this. So I got B 70. I'm done, basically. Like that's A and that's B. A is 65 when I got Z, alternating interior angles. I got B is equals to 70 F, alternating exterior angles. Done. The age, 3 more questions. 4 more questions. The age of the father is 40 years old. 40 years more, sorry. The age of the father, so this is the father. The age of the father is 40 years more than of his son. So this is his son. It's 40 years more than his son. So the difference is 40 years. After 5 years, father's age will be thrice his son. So after 3 years. After 3 years, so the father is equals to the son plus 40. Now, the father plus 5 is equals to the son plus 5. Wait, they're not saying that. They're saying after 5 years, the father's age. So the father's age. The father's age after 5 years. The father's age will be thrice his son. The father's age will be 3 times his son. Okay, but still, I need to do F plus 5 is equals to his son plus 5. His son plus 5. The difference is still going to be 40. So the difference will stay the same. Because as time goes by, this is time for the father. This is time for the son. Now, they will still plus 5. Plus 5. Like 5 years will pass on everyone. Everyone will grow 5 years, but the difference will stay the same. My sister and I am 3.5 years older than my sister. So if I am 20, or if I am 23.5, she is 20 years old. If I am 23.5 years old, she is 20 years old. Y-O, years old. Years old. Years old. Okay. So, this is 23 years old, 23.5 years old, and this is 20 years old. Now, after 5 years, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28.5. After 5 years, 25. The difference is still the same. 23.5 minus 20 is equals to 3.5. And 28.5 minus 25 is 3.5. The difference is still going to be the same. So please don't make a common mistake of writing 45 here. In addition to the 5 that you did here. No, the 5 here is for the son. 5 here is for the father. The 40 is still the same. This is the difference. It's not going to change. It's never going to change. Same as the 3.5 with me and my sister. Find the age. So let's just recap. We got these equations. F is equals 3h. F plus 5 is equals to S plus 5 plus 40. So now we can remove these. We don't need them really. So we can use F is equals to 3x, 3 times the sun, so 3s. So I can say 3s is equal, substitute. This one here. Show me substitution. Note 3s is equals to s plus 40. 2s is equals to 40. S is equals to 20. So the sun is 20, and the old man is 60. Now try it out. So first of all, 60 minus 20 is 40, but try it out after 5 years. Like, go back 5 years. It's still gonna be the same. 15 and 55. Sorry, 15 and 55. He was 15, that one was 55, yeah. Basically. The difference is still 55 minus 15 is still 40, okay. See? Still the same. Find the solution of the equation. Okay, we found x. No, we didn't. Okay. They're just asking for a solution. 4, 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 4 is equals to 10. 12x minus 20 minus 10x plus 20 is equals to 10. 2x, 20 goes away. 12x minus 10x, 2x is equals to 10, x is equals to 5. Yeah, basically. Okay. Bridgie, let's do this one. Bridge owns a rectangular farmland. I guess I need to stop recording.